الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed and you are watching Learn Quran with Tajweed series. Inshallah, in this class we are going to start Suratul Mutaffifin Makkiyah. So before starting this surah, if you didn't subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos and similar online Islamic classes Urdu for Urdu videos, so kindly subscribe both channels for latest videos and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos. So now we start. Suratul Mutaffifina Makkiyah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. ويل للمطففين ويل للمطففين Wailul, this is Yalin, we read soft sound here, and after the tanween the next letter is Lam, we make idgham without ghunna. On this ta we read in heavy sound due to isti'la letter, and here is Ya madda, we long this fa, so we say Wailul lil mutaffifin. If you stop here, so it will be Madde Aris, which we long 2 to 3 seconds. We say again, Wailul lil mutaffifin. And on the fa, you make hums quality as well. Mutaffifin. Alladhina. Alladhina. Izaktalu. Izaktalu. على الناس على الناس يستوفون يستوفون الذين, so Hamza we connect with the Lam. Alladhin, Lam we read in light sound, Zal we read in soft sound, and this is Ya Madda, we long here. Alladhina Izaktalu, Zal again we read in soft sound and we connect with the Kaf directly. Kaf, in the Kaf we make Shiddat and Hams quality. If you make Shiddat, so it will be Izak, like the discontinuation of our sound, Izak. And after that we make Hams quality, like then we continue our breath, Izak, Izak, Izaktalu. Ta we long due to Alif Madda, Lam we long due to Waw Madda. Izaktalu ala nasi. Ain we read from the middle of the throat. Lam we connect with the Noon directly. Noon has a shad sign. We make gunna here and also we long. This is Alif Madda there. Ala nasi yastawfun. On the scene we make hums and safir. So we say yes, yes. Taw, this is Wawlin, we read soft sound, and Fu, this is Waw Madda here. So we long here, so we say Yastawfun. And if you stop, it will be Madde Aris. And now we say all together, Alladhina izaktalu ala nasi yastawfun. Wa idha kaluhum. وَإِذَا كَالُوهُمْ أَوْ وَزَنُوهُمْ يُخْسِرُونَ وَإِذَا, Zal we read in soft sound and also we long. وَإِذَا Kaluhum, Kaf we long due to Alif Madda, Lam we long due to Waw Madda. After the Mim Sakin, the next letter is Hamza. We make the clear sound of Mim. So it is Kaluhum Aw. So the first Waw is coming with Sukun sign and second Waw is coming with Shad sign. So the first Waw we merge into second Waw. So that's why the second Waw has a Shadda sign. So we connect Awwa. Like with the strong Ys, the Hamza we connect with the second Waw. Aw wazanuhum, the Noon we long due to Waw Madda. And again after the Mim Sakin, the next letter is Ya. We make the clear sound of Mim, which is Izhar Shafawi here. So we say Aw wazanuhum yukhsirun. On the Kha we make Hams quality and Sifte Isti'la as well. and ra we read in heavy sound and also we long due to waw madda, so it will be yukhsirun. So we say وَإِذَا كَالُوهُمْ أَوْ وَزَنُوهُمْ يُخْسِرُونَ أَلَا يَظُنُّ أُولَئِكَ أَنَّهُمْ مَبْعُوثُونَ Allah, this is alif madda here. Zaw we read in heavy sound. On the noon we make gunna. Yazunnu ulaika. So you can see here lam has a standing fatha, and the standing fatha is equal to alif madda. And now after the alif madda, hamza is coming in the same word. That's why this big mad sign is coming there. This is madde muttasil, which we long 3 to 5 seconds. So and kaf we read in light sound. We say Ulaika annahum. On the noon this is shadda sign, we make gunna. After the mim sakin, the next letter is again mim. That's why we make idgham shafawi here, like the gunna we make gunna here. Annahum mab. On the ba we make qalqala, which is the weak qalqala. Ru, this is waw madda. Su, this is again waw madda. So we long on the both places. So we say mab'uthun. And now the complete. Ala yadhunnu ulaika annahum mab'uthun liyawmin azim. Liyawmin azim. Yaw, this is vowel in here, we read soft. After the tanween, the next letter is ain, we make a izhar here, the clear sound of noon. So we say liyawmin a. Ain we read from the middle of the throat. Zaw we read softly and also heavy sound. This we long as well due to ya madda. And if you stop here, so this double kasra we skip from here and only we say azim. Liyawmin azim. And if you continue on this place, so this after the tanween then ya comes, so we make idgham with gunna, so it will be azimi yawma. But now we stop, so we say the next yawma yaqumun nasu لِرَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ. Yawma, this is vowel in here. Yaqumun, this is qaf. Yaqumun, qaf we read it heavy sound and also we long due to waw madda. Noon has a shadda sign, we make gunna, and there is alif madda, we long as well. Yaqumun nasu. Lirabbil, ra we read in heavy sound and also on the ba we make bit strong voice. Lirabbil alameen. Ain we read from the middle of the throat and also we long due to standing fatha on it. Me also we long due to ya madda here. So we say Lirabbil alameen. Yawma yaqumun nasu lirabbil alameen. Kalla inna kitab al-fujjari lafi sijjin. Kalla, this is alif madda here. Alif is coming after fatha sign. And also there is another mad which is madde munfasil, because after the madda letter which is alif, the next is hamza which is coming in the beginning of the next word. That's why this mad is madde munfasil, which is madde jaiz, which we long 3 to 4 seconds. And we say kalla inna. And on the noon there is shad sign, we make gunna then. Also we long there. So we say Kalla inna. Kitabal. Kaf we read in light sound. Ta we long due to standing fatha on it. Kitabal fujjari. On the jim we make bit strong wise and then we long as well. This is alif madda. Alif we read in light sound here. Ra we read in light sound as well due to kasra under it. So we say fujjari. Lafi. Fi we long due to ya madda. Sijjin. Again the strong wise on the jim because of shad. And then G also we long due to ya madda. Sijjin. And if you stop, so this double kasra will be skipped from here. And we say Kalla inna kitabal fujjari lafi sijjin. Wama adraka. Wama adraka. Ma sijjin. Ma sijjin. Wama adraka. Ma we long due to alif madda and also there is small mad which is madde munfasil. So we long 3 to 4 seconds here. On the dal we make qalqala which is the weak qalqala. Ra we did in heavy sound and also we long 1 second. Kaf we did in light sound. So we say Wama adraka. Adraka. Ma sijjin. Mim we long due to alif madda. On the jim we make bit strong wise and also we long due to ya madda. So we say Ma sijjin. Wama adraka ma sijjin. Kitabum marqum. Kitabum marqum. Kitabun. Kaf we read in light sound. Ta we long due to standing fatha on it. After the tanween, the next letter is mim. We make idgham with gunna, like the gunna sound here. We long then we say kitabum marqum. Ra we read in heavy sound due to sukun sign on it and the before letter has fatha. That's why we say marqum. Kaf we read in heavy sound due to isti'la letter and there is waw madda. We long there marqum. And if you stop, so this double dhamma we skip from here. Only we put a sukun sign. We say kitabum marqum. Wailun yawma idhil. Wailun yawma idhil. Lil mukaththibin. Lil mukaththibin. Wailul. This is ya lean here. We read soft sound after the tanween. The next letter is ya, which is one from yuminu letters. So that's why we make idgham with gunna. So we say wailun yawma. This is waw lean here. After the tanween now is the next letter is lam. We make idgham without gunna. Yawma idhil. Dhil with the soft sound. Lil mukaththibin. This zal also we read in soft sound and B we long due to ya madda. Lil mukaththibin. Wailun yawma idhil lil mukaththibin. Alladhina. Alladhina. Yukaththibuna. Yukaththibuna. Biyawmiddin. Biyawmiddin. Alladhina. Hamza we connect with the lam. Alladhina. Zal we read in soft sound and also we long due to ya madda. Alladhina yukaththibuna. Zal again we read in soft sound. Ba we long due to waw madda. Yukaththibuna biyawmiddin. Yaw. This is waw lean here. We read soft sound. And on the dal we make bit strong wise due to shad sign. Biyawmiddin we long due to ya madda. Biyawmiddin. Alladhina yukaththibuna biyawmiddin. Wama yukaththibu. Wama yukaththibu bihi illa. Bihi illa kullu mu'tadin athim. Kullu mu'tadin athim. Wama, this is alif madda, we long here. Yukadhibu, zal we read in soft sound. Bihi, after the standing kasra, hamza is coming in the beginning of the next word. So this is madde munfasil, which we long 3 to 4 seconds. Bihi illa, la we long due to alif madda. Kullu mu'tadin, kaf and lam we read in light sound. Mu'tadin, on the ain we make tawassut quality. After the tanween, the next is hamza, we make izhar here. Tha we read in soft sound and also we long due to ya madda. So we say kullu mu'tadin athim. And if you stop, so we skip double kasra under the mim. And we say وَمَا يُكَذِّبُ بِهِ إِلَّا كُلُّ مُعْتَدٍ أَثِيمٍ. إِذَا تُتْلَى عَلَيْهِ آيَاتُنَا قَالَ أَسَاطِيرُ الْأَوَّلِينَ. إِذَا, zal we read in soft sound and also we long due to alif madda. Tutla, on the second ta we make shiddat and hams quality, and then this lam we long due to standing fatha on it. Tutla, this ta we read in light sound, okay? Tutla alayhi, this is ya lean here. Ayatuna, hamza and ya we long due to standing fatha on it. Noon we long due to alif madda. Ayatuna, so all these three signs we long equal. Qala, qaf and alif we read in heavy sound. Asa, this alif we read in light sound and also we long. Tirul, ta again we read in heavy sound and also we long due to ya madda. Ra we read in heavy sound due to dhamma on it. Asatirul awwalin, on the waw we make bit strong voice, and lam we long due to ya madda. So we say Asatirul awwalin. إِذَا تُتْلَى عَلَيْهِ آيَاتُنَا قَالَ أَسَاطِيرُ الْأَوَّلِينَ. So this is today's lesson. Now I repeat this complete lesson again. So listen carefully and try with me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Wailul lil mutaffifin. الذين إذا اكتالوا على الناس يستوفون وإذا كالوهم أو وزنوهم يخسرون ألا يظن أولئك أنهم مبعوثون ليوم عظيم يوم يقوم الناس لرب العالمين كلا إن كتاب الفجار لفي سجين وما أدراك ما سجين كتاب مرقوم ويل يومئذ للمكذبين الذين يكذبون بيوم الدين وما يكذب به إلا كل معتد أثيم إذا تتلى عليه آياتنا قال أساطير الأولين. So I hope you understand this lesson. If you like this video, so click on the like button and share with your friends. Inshallah, see you in the next class with the new lesson. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.